In this video, I'll show you how you can change your skin tone in Roblox. Now the first step is you want to head over to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're here, you want to find avatar on the left side. And once you can see your avatar, what you want to do is you want to find head and body and find skin tone. Then in here, you can simply select the skin tone that you want. And as you can see, when I choose one, it's going to update just like this. And then what you want to do is you just want to go out of it once you've selected it, and that will be your new skin tone. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. You can also click on advanced here if you want to edit some parts of him, like either only the head or only a leg or something like that. Now once you've done that, it should be changed, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's already updated. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.